Hey everybody, it's Michelle and I'm here with another tack hack. I hope everybody is staying safe during all this craziness with the coronavirus. I know a lot of people are struggling and I know it's been a hard time. So anyway, I thought I would take some time to bring you a little bit of a tack hack. This actually happened to me the other day. So what we're going to deal with is boots and your zippers. Okay, so I had a zipper break, which is, oh my gosh, the most frustrating thing in the whole world. I was getting ready to ride and went to put my zipper on and it broke. So that's what we're going to talk about today. So I'm grabbing my boot. These are my very favorite boots in the whole world. They are Mountain Horse Sovereign boots. I'm on my third pair of these because I just think they're phenomenal. I have one pair that I reserve for showing, but this is my go-to barn pair. I've had these for a couple of years. I wear them 4, 5, 6 times a week. Anyway, but my zipper did break, which does happen. I think everybody, if you ride for very long, has had a zipper break. So as you can see, it's split. I think what happened was something got clogged in the tooth. There's been a lot of dust in my arena, so I think that's probably what happened. It'll zip up, but it won't zip down, and I've worked with it, but it's just not happening. Anyway, so I'm going to take it to the zipper repair store, but in the meantime, or the shoe repair store rather, and they're going to fix my zipper, but because the boots are in great shape, it's just the zipper that broke. But here's some quick ideas that you can do so that if it breaks, you can go ahead and ride if you don't happen to have another pair of boots at the barn, which I unfortunately did not. Had boots at home, just not in my truck. So anyway, there's several things you can use. Of course, I know you probably want to go to your go-to duct tape. My favorite. This one comes in green, but no, you don't want to do that. I also have blue because I like colors. But again, it's going to ruin the leather on the boot, so you don't want to do that. So you can use a couple of different things. You can use, this is Coflex. It's just another version of Vet Wrap. You can use either one of those. They're great. And I'm going to show you what to do in just a second. You can use painter's tape. It's like masking tape. I had this at my house. This came from the Dollar Tree. It's $1. You can use the expensive kind. I actually have some frog tape in my trailer that's green that I use on my cross-country boots, my horse boots, when I'm running cross-country, because it's green and everybody knows lime green, bean green is my color. So that's why I use that. But that's actually what I use to repair my boots, because that was all I had on hand. I couldn't find my Vet Wrap. I had a whole thing of it here at the house, but I didn't have any in the trailer with me. So anyway, I did use my painter's tape for my boots. You can also use electrical tape. This is electrical tape. Again, this was $1. It's actually 2 rolls of it. This is fantastic to keep in your trailer because you can use it for all kinds of stuff. You can tape your cross-country boots on with it on your horse. It comes in a whole bunch of colors just like duct tape does. You can use it to fix stuff. I mean, I use this for everything. It's like duct tape to me, and because it's like duct tape and I used it all the time, I was out of it. But this was at my house, so this is electrical tape. So I'm going to show you what you do with the Coflex to keep the boot on your leg so you can go ahead and ride and fix it when you get home. I'm going to open this Coflex up. And I'm wearing my Land Rover hat today because this is going to be Land Rover week, or it would have been Land Rover week if we were actually having Land Rover, which we're not, which is a real bummer. Anyway, I get this hat because I volunteer every year. I highly suggest volunteering if you ever want to have a lot of fun. You get all kinds of free swag, get to hang out on cross country. It's awesome. They have all kinds of things you can do. All right, so I'm going to get this Coflex going. It's a little bit faded because it's sitting in the sun. So what you're going to do, and this will not hurt your boot because it doesn't have any kind of major adhesive on it. So what you're going to do is you're just going to put your boot on. If you can get your foot's probably already in it when the boot broke. And then you're just going to start wrapping it around. So see, and just do it as tight as you want. I mean, you don't want to cut the circulation off in your leg, obviously. But if you just keep wrapping all the way around, then instant boot repair. It'll keep the boot on your leg. You can go ahead and ride, and then that way when you get home or when you get ready to take your boots off, this stuff comes off really super easy. You just rip it. I'm gonna rip this off or unwrap it, whichever one you want to do. I mean, we've all used it on our horses. Well, you can use it on yourself. So here you go, and you just rip it off. Super easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And it's still broken, unfortunately. I wish it was a magic fix, but it's not. But there's nothing wrong with the boot. The leather's still okay, and it didn't hurt the quality of the leather. There's no sticky adhesive, and just throw that away. I mean, Coflex and Vet Wrap, there's like all kinds of generics of it. They cost maybe $5 at the most. I know you've got it hanging out in your trailer, in your barn, in your truck, in your tack trunk, wherever. This is a great fix. Again, if you happen to have this, like I had it in my trailer because I used the green color. So if you happen to have painter's tape, this is $1. It's a great way to fix. Or you can even use electrical tape. Now the electrical tape does have a little bit more adhesive on it, so you don't want to do it super tight because you will get some adhesive a little bit on your boot, but it's not horrible, and it's easy to get off with just a little bit of saddle soap or cleaner. And again, this is $1 for 2 rolls of it. I couldn't think of the word for a second. Sorry about that. And this is a great bargain that you can use for 3 million things around your house, around your barn, around your trailer, whatever. So highly recommend it. Shout out to Texas Rose, one of my favorite places to go in the whole world. They have great events there, great people. Shout out to Land Rover. Man, can we please get back to showing? I miss you guys. I miss people. I can't believe I'm saying that, but I really, really am. Hope you guys are staying safe. Please let me know how you like this tack. This tack hack. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Look Sid and I up. We're SmartPak ambassadors, and love you guys, and we will see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye.